All right, welcome to our hotel room here at the Delta in Toronto. So this is a Corner Skyline Soaker room, and we're gonna go on a little tour of it. So my initial impression when I walked in this room was, wow, because as soon as you walk in, you get these floor-to-ceiling windows, and you can see all the way out over the Rogers Centre and the CN Tower courtyard. So I'll show you that in a few seconds. But what was your impression of it?
Yeah, it's really bright.
Yeah.
Amazing views.
Yeah, and the sun was coming in here when we got in last night.
See inside the dome because it was open, so that was really cool.
Oh yeah, the dome was open, and the Blue Jays were beating the Baltimore Orioles.
Surprising.
Yeah, they're not good this year. Okay, so as soon as you come in, to the right side here, there's a little closet where you can put all your stuff. So you can hang all your coats and stuff here. We still don't know what this is called, or?
I don't remember what it's called, but you put your luggage on there?
Yeah, you put your luggage on there. It's not for room service, like I was led to believe once before.
Who told you that?
Oh no. Then they have an ironing board, in case you need to iron your clothing, and an iron. And then they got a nice safe in here too. Put your valuables. We didn't have any valuables this time, so we didn't use it, right? Perfect. So, coming over this way, I can't fit you in the safe. I would if I could. You're so valuable to me.
Thanks.
So there's a coffee maker, and it comes with coffee and creamers and sugar.
We already used coffee cups. So.
Yeah, so they're not there anymore. We used them already. And then underneath here, they got the ice bucket, and then a little bit of storage for. We put our luggage just there. So there's a balloon there because that's from the Jennifer Lopez concert last night, her birthday party. So we got some cool. We took a balloon home as a souvenir. So in this corner here, there's like a little chair and a little reading lamp, so you can hang out. And then over here, there's the desk. So if you want to do any work at it, you can do. It's actually a nice comfy chair. I was sitting in it earlier. On the desk, they have all the different plugs and stuff to plug into the TV, so you can connect your laptop to the TV and work on the TV, which I'll show you in just a second too. They have a notepad, you can take some notes, and then they have a welcome book that has all the information on how to connect to the Wi-Fi and order room service and all those kind of things. And then some power plugs too. They have the regular power and then a USB 2.0 or 2.1A power as well. And then a nice little lamp. So you can do some nighttime work, right?
Or just have lighting for at night.
Yeah. So here's a look over the windows. You can see it's all the cool stuff in downtown Toronto. So I'll show you a couple little things here quick. There's Ripley's Aquarium with some cool sharks on top of the roof. You never know they were there unless, one, you're in a big hotel and you can see down on the roof, or you go on Google Maps, you can see those as well. And they light up nicely at nighttime too. They turn blue, yeah. Right here is the CN Tower, which goes way up, all the way into the sky. There it is there.
Crazy?
It's crazy. And then there's the Rogers Centre. That's where the Blue Jays play, over there. And then over here is, I think it's called the Roundhouse, isn't it? This whole building here.
Not familiar.
Yeah, so I think it's a roundhouse. There's a whole history thing to it and all that, but the big draw there is that it's the Steam Whistle Brewing place where Steam Whistle brews their beer, and they do tours there. I've been on one of those tours, eh? You get free beer. Yeah, so there's some other cool things too. There's the island over there and the airport. We've been watching planes take off all morning. There's actually one just about to take off right now. And, oh, one other thing that's cool here too is this is called the Rec Room, so there's a really cool restaurant in there. And I think we're going there on Wednesday, aren't we? Coming back on Wednesday and going to this restaurant?
I believe so.
Yeah, so cool. We'll do a little bit of a review on that as well. Look at the little people on the train down there. They go around the little courtyard on that train. Oh, there goes the plane taking off. Cool. So yeah, awesome windows. Cool light that comes in here, and it's really nice just to kind of look out, you know, while you're getting ready and hanging out. So next, if you come over this way, there's some storage underneath here. So some shelves and stuff to put your things. Lots of space. And then probably there's two things I don't like about this room, and this is the first one, is this huge TV, because while you're sitting in bed, you know, just relaxing, it literally takes up like a huge chunk of the window, which I think would have been a really cool view to see beyond the TV, like this. While you're in bed, you can see all that kind of nice stuff, but the TV's here, you can't see that, but that's okay. Maybe they should get one of those things where the TV goes like down into the like cupboard here.
Yeah, or
and then
just such a wall mounted on the side there.
Yeah. Mona said just wall mount it over there and have it on like one of those flexible arms where you can pivot. But yeah, anyways, one thing is you can't see out the window with a big TV there. So next, there's the bed. So this is a king bed, and disclaimer for sure is we did sleep in this bed already, that's why it looks a little messy. And then beside the beds they have your regular kind of shelving and storage there, and a Holy Bible. I have 2 books. Why do I have 2 books, baby? There's a Bible. Are you intrigued what this other one is? Oh, it's the Book of Mormon, that's what it is. Nice. Alright, so there's a phone just beside the bed here. There's some power outlets beside the bed as well to plug your phone in or whatever you want to plug in there. Some lamps. So I got 2 different lamps. I got this guy, which provides a lot of nice light, and then I got these little doodads too. And there's a little reading lamp for nighttime. Bed was comfy. Did you like it?
Yeah, it's not bad.
Yeah, I liked it. I had a good sleep. We were exhausted last night after the J-Lo concert, so we slept pretty well. And then over here, same thing. They got the nice little reading lights as well. And alarm clock. And again, some power outlets and a lamp. And then this is where the thermostat control would be. So we have it on off right now because that's the second thing about this room that I think needs to be kind of considered, is that this is the vent right here that pumps all the AC into the room, and it's pointed right down onto the bed. So we usually kept it at 23 degrees, and once it turned on and we were sleeping, you could hear it, it was quite loud, and it would blow cold air down on you like right as you're sleeping. So.
But it's so much colder in here because I think it tries to regulate the temperature in the whole suite.
Yeah.
Where the windows in the bathroom are so big that it heats up really quickly, and like so much that it tries to regulate everything, and it's
Yeah.
like it's trying to make that room the same temperature as in here, but in here it gets so much colder.
Yeah.
If that makes sense.
It does make sense. Yeah, as soon as we got here, it was set to 18, so it was freezing cold in the bedroom, but like inside the bathroom here, which we're gonna go next, which is amazing looking. It was so hot because the sun's literally coming in those windows all day. Cool. So, let's, yeah. So there's a couple little coat hangers too. You can hang your coats on there as well. And then here's the bathroom. So there's a little sliding door just for privacy. And it's got like a little bit of a soft close, so you can slam it. So you don't slam it actually. So you can just open it and it sort of, oh, it doesn't have soft close over there, eh? Cool. So coming in here, this is probably one of the nicer bathrooms in a hotel room that we've been in. So let's take a look here. So what makes it really cool again is the windows, obviously. You can see all around. Now this is why they call it, this is the corner of the hotel. So it's the corner room, and it has the skyline view and the soaker tub. So the soaker tub is right there. So that'd be pretty awesome. It's just hanging out, relaxing in the bathtub, and you get to look over the lake and look over the downtown and people watch. So over this way, here's the shower, a cool stand-up glass shower as well. It's pretty big, and then it's got all your shower gels, body wash, shampoo right here, and your controls, and there's the shower head. And then coming around here, it's a really cool mirror. I like this with the lights in the mirror as well. So here's what it looks like off, and then you turn it on, it looks nice. And then sink area, kind of cool, nice and bright light colors in here, makes it look really open and nice. So yeah, so there's the sink, there's me, hello. And one thing I like about this is cool is like when you're getting ready, you can see yourself while you're brushing your teeth, and you got the CN Tower and the Rogers Center in the background. There's not too many places in in the world where you can get ready and have a huge tower right in the mirror behind you. So that's pretty cool. And then tucked in around the side here for some privacy is the toilet. So while you're on the toilet, you can take a look out over the city and see what everyone is doing. And there's actually some people living in these condos just here. So they have like these blinds you can bring down too for privacy too. So you don't have to worry about privacy because they have the shutters. Oh, and there's a plane taking off. So take a look there. So cool just to like see out over the bathroom and you can watch the planes take off from the airport. There they go. Bye. Hey baby, where are they going next?
Where are we going next?
Where are they going next on the plane?
Probably somewhere beautiful.
Somewhere beautiful, you think? Yeah, probably, eh? Cool. So yeah. Oh, and there's also this little stool here that's surprisingly unbelievably comfortable when you're sitting on it. So you can sit on it and take a look out over the city again too. Yeah, awesome views. Yeah, I can't get over this bathroom and then just all the windows and all the light and the view you get from it. It's so incredible. Easily the nicest bathroom that I've been in a hotel room, eh? What do you think? I think it's just because of the views. I think we've stayed at a nicer one with nicer finishes and stuff, but the views make that like unbelievable.
Bathroom is the best.
Yeah, the bathroom's like the highlight of the hotel room.
Yeah, and just being able to watch the planes take off. That's my favorite part.
Yeah, cool. Doesn't look like anyone's gonna. Oh yeah, there's like a little baby taking off now. I don't think you're gonna be able to see it on the camera, but I think a little baby is getting ready to take off. Cool. So actually, we're gonna get ready to take off as well because we're gonna head home and see the bean. He's waiting for us.
Watch all of our J-Lo videos.
Yeah, upload all the videos and check out our concert videos. Awesome. Cool. So thanks for watching. See you guys next time.